Hey guys, back with another Shorya Kunga video, and the thunderstorm is going much worse from last time. Okay, it was raining before. Now I don't think it's raining anymore, but it's big thunderstorm. I can't hear anything, but more maybe like a lightning storm. It's so bloody. Look at that. I mean, you guys might be able to see everything. But look, it's kind of bloody, right? It's much more bloody than you think it is. Look at that. It's really bloody for us. Yeah, so back with that. I don't know how to even explain this. This is amazing. Really amazing because I'm driving right now. So it's kind of scary. Oh, wow. Oh, you see that big flash? Wow. Whoa, this is amazing. Yeah, so I just wanted to show you that. And yeah, see you next time in another video. If it gets worse, I'll show a video about that. But yeah, it's very bad right now. Oh shoot. It's so stormy. Now it's a bit more, now it's a very storm. Okay, now it's clearing up a bit. Oh, did you guys see that? That was amazing. That was so cool. Okay guys, see you in my next video. Bye. Make sure to subscribe, like and share with your friends. And the subscribe button is red, then click that and make it gray and put your notifications on. Bye.